morning sun, no time to chat, I gotta run, cause I got places to be. So much to do, excited yes and nervous too. A change is starting with me. I never worry about upsetting cards, hardened hearts, or wonder will I belong. I've heard it enough, I'm calling their bluff. I'll never get lost in the gray. There's something inside, burns bigger than pride, shines out of me, lighting the way. Gonna be my day. Gonna be my day. Gonna be my day.
Happy birthday, anak. I hope na sa paglaki mo, kapag nag-look back ka sa mga memories, masabi mo na naging masaya yung birthday celebration mo. I am praying for your good health and safety, and andito lang lagi si Mommy para sa'yo, and also si Dada kahit malayo, nakasupport lang siya from afar. I love you, anak. Happy birthday!
I've heard it enough, I'm calling their bluff. I'll never get lost in the gray. Go big or go home, get real again. No. Happy birthday, Isha!
Happy birthday, Isha!
Gonna be my day. Gonna be my day. Gonna be my day. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Apo. Noon, malungkot ang buhay namin kasi wala kaming Alicia Joy. Pero simula nung dumating ka, nagkaroon ng sigla ang buhay namin. Sumaya kami sa araw-araw. Ayan, naku, naiyak ako. Nandito si Lola. Aalagaan kita ng buong puso at pagmamahal.
Happy birthday, Eliza Joy. Sana lumaki ng maayos ka at may pagmamahal sa Panginoon. At lumaki kang masaya, malusog, at masayang bata. I love you!